we have on our platform today a father who chose to raise his autistic kid into an artistic child. Thank you so much for coming on our platform, Mr. Rajendra Munje, and a very warm welcome to you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Sir, I want to start with showing one of the paintings of Rupak. I've had these paintings on my work desk from years now.
That's great.
This is what I have. The moment I saw this, I knew that I want to know this story.
That's great.
For the listeners, I would like to say that Rupak is an autistic kid, and today we are not talking about that. We are talking about an exemplary parenting that Mr. Munje and his wife has provided to Rupak, because of which he has discovered the artistic side. Sir, my first question to you is, can you please tell me, when did you know that he had this artistic side to himself?
Actually, I discovered this when he used to go to art therapy classes, which his school weekend has organized. Before that, they conducted photo exhibition of Rupak's classmates. There, this Melissa Enderle, who's the American art therapist, visited there, and he is so fascinated by these kids. She said, okay, I'll conduct the classes voluntarily for these kids. So Rupak used to go there quite regularly, and I happened to go there and seen his work, and I was so fascinated by strokes. I thought it is his calling and I should give it a shot and take it to the world to see what he is doing and creating the wonderful art. So that's how the thing has started.
That's beautiful, sir. That's beautiful. It's really nice to know that, you could see that inclination of Rupak. You could see how interested and invested he was, and all you could do is just provide him those wings to fly. And it's really amazing to see that. And so, in terms of Rupak, what were your challenges? Because obviously, when the news is given to you, that he is differently abled, I'm sure that it probably, shattered your entire dreams or entire aspiration, or it just shakes you as a person. So what?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
What was your feeling, and how did you like convert that into something that is so beautiful at this point in time that we are actually sitting and talking about it? So how did this conversion happen?
Yeah, so as like any parent, this was a big shock, and to me it was a tremendous shock, because my family was taken this shock very easily, but I took a lot of time to got back to in it, but I was actually went into depression, and it took several years to come out of that. And thanks to my wife, that she stood rock solid, and she made me rock solid to face the world. She said, "Now this is it. What we can do the best. Let's do it." So that's how I got her power into me. And we could do wonders with that energy. So all credit goes to my wife.
We can definitely see that. And so as a family, we've been taught that we should support each other. But I think occasions like this, you really understand the meaning of it. And it's amazing how something like this, you have turned it into a boon. Today it's a gift that Rupak has, and he is a gift to you. And it's a journey you have traveled together, but we can see the result. Nevertheless, it's very, very inspiring.
People appreciate the art the way you are appreciating. That's a great thing. That is what we are looking for. Many art lovers should appreciate him and take his art to the world. That is what we are looking for.
Is this your mission of life now?
Absolutely, I am giving 24 hours. I mean, I am giving my heart and soul in it. So this is the only thing I have right now in my desire list.
So what is your worry? This is your desire. You're working for it. What is your worry when it comes to Rupak about his future? What do you?
I am worry free. I am worry free because what we are doing as a family is getting rid of these worries and fears, because my daughter has taken this legacy from how I taken from Melesa. She has taken from me, and she is going to promote his art, and she is going to launch the Munje Art Gallery very soon, where all three of us is going to participate in that website, which is a huge gallery itself. Like, 3 artists in one house is a very rare thing, and we have that. And thanks to Rupak, that he has inspired and he has passed on his bliss to us, and it's like a really great thing to. I think we should thank him.
It's the art, it's the undying determination that binds all of you, and you are able.
It's like it's his energy that is flowing through us.
Absolutely. I'm very excited to know about this Munje gallery that you just spoke about. I am a person of Rupak's art. I think the way he expresses himself with colors, I really feel that, it's phenomenal. I mean, we just speak, we have words of expression, but I think kid like Rupak has found his way of expressing himself, and that is through his painting. It should really travel the world, and people should really recognize it, and I'm sure that's going to happen one day. But as of now, sir, can you tell us how his paintings are traveling? Like, how many people really know him, and does he know that his paintings are being recognized and appreciated all over the country?
Oh, he's a super. He like limelight. He like camera on him.
Oh wow!
He enjoys it, and he feels that he's contributing to the family, and his art is appreciated all over the world. People are buying all over the world. So, and he's in all social media handles. So he's a superhero of my house.
Definitely, that he is. He's a superhero of the house. He's a superhero of his own life, who has his life, around like this. Sir,
yes.
We have a lot of fathers probably who would listen to this, and obviously, a kid is something that parents have dreams of, and they already chart out their plans, their career plan, and everything in their head, but certain things are not in our control. We don't choose things. What we have been given in our lives is, we just have to accept that they are the gifts, and you have done exactly that, right? So what is your advice or your wise words to probably parents who are still trying to get in terms with, what life has given to them? What would be your advice?
I personally feel that we have to see think big for them, see big dream, and that is how actually I didn't see ordinary dream for him. It has to be the best in the world. He has to recognize as best artist in the world. So I suggest that, I advise that, see the biggest dream for your child, who's especially like Rupak, because on their own they can't do it, but as a parent we can put our heart and soul. Even though he is born autistic, doesn't mean that he should be an ordinary person. He can make it big, and he can make his mark. He can make his footprint, and the world is ready for it, and it's already showing the result.
Absolutely, sir.
That,
Absolutely. Huge applause to you. And
thanks a lot.
what makes
Thanks to Vivek that he is buying his calendar for year after year. So, and you are also a fan of Rupak. It's really nice to hear.
Thank you. He's buying because I am the huge fan. Sir, I want to applaud you for the kind of parenting, for believing in Rupak, because as you rightly said, kids cannot do that themselves, right?
Yeah.
I think parents' biggest responsibility is to nurture them and bring out the best in them.
Absolutely.
What you have done, and huge applause, and thank you so much for coming on our platform, for sharing your story. We wish you and Rupak all the very best. May his art travel the world, and we are really happy to talk to you. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot for giving an opportunity to Rupak and giving platform to shine in the world again through your medium.
He is already a shining star.
That's true.